Hey, it's a dark and dreary day. It's gonna rain, be nasty. Anyway, I reset Pro Tunes and this is automatic, so it's gonna be grainy. I'm not gonna try to figure out low light at this given time. I just watched the video of the Walt Disney World guy. They did a great job, and yeah, when they started to change their ISOs to 6400, do all this, everything came out perfect. The shots looked good, but the problem was, I don't believe that was all 100% GoPro. I think that was part of the other camera. If they would have put the real settings down, what they did and all, then yeah, I definitely believe them. It's just that very impressed indeed. So off I go. I gotta get some things. Hot bagels. Lettuce. Also gotta get that. So yeah, and off we go. Enjoying our day, doing some things, a little editing, all that good stuff. I'm not sure what's happening here. Not sure what was happening, why they're backing up, doing this and that. It's not even morning and people are on the swings playing games. The construction's working, filling in holes, backing out of a one-way street. Come on, I don't get people at times. Why? Because he didn't want to go around the block. He wanted to simply just do that. Maybe if he went around the block, he would have been making the next light. Because I already caught up to the person and I was even trying. Look at that. Yeah, go figure. Of the whole neighborhood, the whole area, this is one of the blocks, streets, they basically didn't do bike lanes. Yeah, we do strangest things in this world, man, I tell you. And I don't know why. I just don't know why. All right, let's leave the bike behind and go on and go get my bagel. More than a bagel. I'm not sure what just happened. I saw a long light, then it finally came on and didn't record. So maybe my last shot was going to get a bagel. More than a bagel. Let's just hang out here, watch the ambulance come by, listen to all that noise, natural noise of the suburban cities. Everything's nice and hot. It's the way we like it. I'm walking. It's a little lighter. Got the birds flying in the background over there. Sure enough, let's go head on home. If I keep my camera on my forehead 24/7 and constantly recording, I capture a lot more action. Out of here. Hey bikey, somebody wasn't happy with my bike here. They spilled their coffee, go figure. I gotta watch my seat the next time. Those are crushed with my bungee cord. They are soft indeed. They're still gonna go in the belly. That's the jelly. Man, this construction truck just going right on down, doing his job. Well, I got right on the wrong side of the street to be safe. Let's get on out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy your time and your happy Thanksgiving and all with family and friends. Be safe. Have a great one. Have a happy Thanksgiving. See you all on the next one. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Woohoo! Yeah! See ya!